What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. I know, man. I know it's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Ooh, yes, it will. I already know, man. I know it. It's been a long time, but I really ain't had nothing going on, y'all. I've been on my other platforms and stuff, just doing a little short form stuff because I haven't had any long, big projects and nothing going on. I ain't been messing with the cars, nothing like that. But now y'all see getting things on the way. So I have been making moves. One of the lab parts I've been waiting on for Meech is coming tomorrow. So the new combo is about to be ready, man. We're doing everything new, y'all. Everything new. So, y'all see, man, I got the work boots on. I'm finna start. I had started already, but after I said, "Oh, Jay, go get the camera." So we finna get this thing out, man. We finna go ahead and get this thing out. Like I said, it's still a run, but we finna get it out. So we're removing Meech engine today, so I can get this thing. Only thing got to be going to the machine shop is the block to be clean. All the other parts I got are new. I mean, new pistons, new rods. Ain't nothing wrong with this stuff because I caught the problem early enough. But so I'm gonna have some stuff for sale. But new pistons, new rods, and don't get me wrong, I got some great stuff here already. But new crankshaft, I mean everything. New heads. Cause I got a different combo, man. I got a different. When I say everything in it new. I ain't using nothing. Only thing I'm using is the intake and the block, of course. But everything else, new carburetor. Cause I need it, man. It's finna go down, y'all. It's finna go down. It's still gonna be pump gas friendly, true straight, but it's gonna be it's gonna be animal. So I'm gonna get some stuff ripped out first, then I'm gonna turn y'all on. I ain't gonna set the camera up while I'm getting the preliminary stuff, cause I'm pushed for time. It gets so cold in this shop about 5 o'clock. I got some heaters and stuff too, but I still don't really want to be out here, man. So about 5 o'clock is over with. So I need to cover some ground first, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on. All right, BCG fam. So quick little update showing y'all what I got shaking. I'm getting the fluid out of it, getting the water out, so I don't make a mess. This one the best thing I can ever buy. I'm actually going to get 2 more, so I'm gonna have one that's specific for each fluid, mainly oil and antifreeze. So this gonna be my one for just everything. I'm gonna clean it out, but you don't want to mix up. I'm gonna get 3 more. I'm gonna get one for gas, one for oil, and one for antifreeze. It save you money too. You keep it clean, and you can put your stuff right back in. I said it wrong. Oil, antifreeze, and transmission fluid. I ain't really worried about gas. I might get 4 of them. I don't know. But I want one for each fluid, so you know. I'm putting this on real. But then what we got going on, we got getting the antifreeze and water out, and then y'all see I pretty much got the front off already. I stripped that joker down. Had to be smart with it. Leave that stuff on there instead of taking it all off. But see, the way the water pump set up, you use these. I got a whole video showing how to put that vacuum pump on. I ain't put it up yet, y'all. Detailed video. Y'all know, cause that was on my secret stuff. I was on the cover doing stuff then. Me and Wifey did it. I got a whole series. Video probably like an hour and a half long, but it's a very detailed step by step on how to hook the vacuum pump up. So we got that. The next plan of attack, like I'm working from the front back. I'm going on the car last, which I'm only gonna have to go on the car for the converter bolts. That's it, cause I can reach all my bell housing bolts up here at the top. I actually got enough space. It's really not a lot to do as far as taking the engine out. So I'm making sure all my wires clear and stuff. I'm gonna take the water pump off completely after I get all this antifreeze and water out. And then let me see, after I do that, I might attack the headers. I'm gonna get the sensors, the oil in the unit, all that, cause I want none of that to rip off. Make sure everything's straight. Then I'm gonna get the then we're gonna hit the headers. After that, well, I'm gonna take the spark plugs out, otherwise they'll break off. So I'll probably do that now. Take the spark plugs out, and they don't take long. Then we're gonna take the headers, disconnect the headers, and after that we're gonna kind of be down here. I hit the starter. I hit the wire on the starter when I get the engine. I get the engine up some, and I'm gonna pull the engine from the side. Cause this over here big. Y'all remember way back, if you've been watching the vlog channel, you remember I modified my engine horse cause the arm didn't extend long enough and it hit the bumper. And it's cool with small blocks, as I pull many with it. But the big block is heavier, so we're gonna have to put it where it should go, but I'm coming from the side. I might have to, I'm probably gonna have to jack the car and take the wheel off and put on the jack stand, cause them arms, them legs, I mean, they ain't gonna clear them 24 cause it's too wide, which ain't no problem. But otherwise, it should come up straight past the headers. Then I'm going underneath the car, get the converter bolts, and hit the engine mount bolts, and we're gonna be up out of here. Might be gone today too, so I'm gonna let this finish, pulling all the fluid out, then we're gonna check back in. Alright, BCG fam, quick little check in. Been trying to cover ground, man. I'm sorry I ain't recording more of me wrenching, but I'm trying to get this thing done, man, cause like I said, it gets so cold in here. But it pretty much ready to pull. I'm gonna take the bottom radiator hose off last. I done sucked all the water out, but it always a little surprise left in there. Headers are loose, spark plugs out, everything else. I'm gonna get the oil stick. I think it's screwed into the pan, if I remember right. All wires are clear except the oil sending unit, which is just a little tight back there. So I get that when I pull the engine apart, separate the engine from the transmission. So now I'm about to go ahead and go underneath the car, and I better get the starter wires as I lift the engine up, since I got plenty to play with right here. But I mainly make sure all wires disconnected, grounds and all that stuff, cause this usually get tore off. But it's ready to pull, so I'm finna go on here. I can get all the bell housing bolts from the top, so I'm gonna go in here and hit them torque converter bolts underneath and the transmission lines. Nope, I'm tripping. I don't have to do that. I ain't gotta touch them. But I'm gonna take the all the torque converter bolts loose, and that's all I got to do underneath, and the engine mounts, of course. But after that, man, it's ready to pull. So I'm gonna do that, then hit the bell housing bolts. I'm gonna let the car back down, put the bell housing bolts, take them loose, and then we're gonna be pulling this thing out. So y'all, probably another hour, cause I'm taking my time and I'm just checking phones, still having to handle business, double tasking. So about another hour, this nag will be out. So let me get back to it, man. Get this thing done before it get dark. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, BCG fam, we checking in, man. This been a day. Y'all see, I got it. I think I got it not ready. I think I got it ready to pull out. It done got dark. Y'all know how I go. This doesn't never go as planned. Then when I had HVAC people out here, man, I'm getting a Just got a new downstairs unit installed, whole system and stuff, so back and forth with that. Got carburetors up, came in. Gotta do, man, it's crazy. It is insane. So I'm just trying to see what's what. I know I'm gonna have to get this I know I'm gonna have to get the oil stick. The dip stick, I'm gonna have to take it loose. Cause here we go. I know I'm gonna have to take the oil dip stick out. It's screwed into the oil pan, but instead of laying on that ground trying to pipe it, I said I'm gonna jack it up as much as I can, then we'll get it outside. Then we'll get that joke out. Right now I'm trying to clear the bed out. Make sure we got everything. Get out the pins. Get that joke out of them pins, y'all. Ooh, and then they got cold out here. Let's stick now. See if we can get it. Might be able to get it. Let's see. I gotta get that oil stick, y'all. I might be able to get it right here. Get a wrench. So we're gonna take that oil stick out, turn y'all back on, continue this. Alright, BCG fam, we checking in, so it still wanna fight. I was like, why this thing ain't coming out? And I forgot that valve cover. When you pull the big block, it'll hit the brake booster. Cause of it's so big. But I tell you what, next time I'm probably gonna go to the straight master cylinder manual brake, just like I got on Air Train. I won't have to worry about the brake booster, but wife's working the jack that door. It was hung up on the transmission pin. I think it might be 3 now. Yeah. Alright, hold on. A little bit at a time, y'all, man. Check. Make sure you ain't tearing nothing up. All right, BCG fam, we checking in. It's the next day. We got in a mad scramble. This thing ended up taking longer than I thought. Honestly, then back and forth, you know, like I said, dealing with HVAC people, back and forth, make sure they got what they need. Man, it was just back and forth, back and forth. But as you can see, we got this thing out. I'm taking the power steering pump off because it already about to go where it needs to go to make the magic happen. I told y'all once I get it out, it wasn't gonna take long. So me and wife are finna take off. We're finna put this thing on back of the truck, take off, get it where it need to go. It's finna get disassembled already, and this process finna roll. So we'll be back together very, very soon. Probably won't be this month because of the fact we're going into the holiday season, so I understand that. So we probably looking at the beginning of January, second week in January. Thing should be back in the car, everything. So, but it'll be tore down. I'm gonna have parts for sale, so stay tuned if you want some nice parts, some nice big block parts with light use. Nice big block part. Y'all know I take care of my stuff. So I mean from bottom to top. From bottom to top, I'm gonna have heads for sale. Y'all see these AFR heads? I'm gonna have a nice camshaft for sale and lifters. I'm gonna have pistons for sale, all fours, of course. H-beam rods. What Wifey talking about? H-beam rods, crankshaft, everything. So let me get this done, cause me and Wifey got to work out and stuff too. And then after we get it dropped off, we're gonna check back in. Okay, everybody, we checking in. So as y'all can see, man, I'm in the office. I'm in my new office. You probably see the tree in the background and stuff. My mother-in-law actually painted these on the wall, man. She great at painting, even though she visually impaired. She great at painting, so my office has a unique look. And I'm loving it, man. We've been taking time setting everything up, but everything pretty much in play. But anyhow, so as y'all can see, Meech is on the way. I was gonna end the vlog at us pulling the engine out and then dropping the engine off, but I got another part in I want to show y'all that came in, but it didn't make it in time. So I was like, let me show what I got, so we can add this in the vlog. But so check this out. Y'all see that? What is a diamond business? Diamond business. It going down, y'all. So look, I want to show y'all that, cause I'm trying to keep y'all up to date with every part of this build with Meech. So y'all, I don't even know if I showed y'all the other part, man. I got to move so fast, took the engine out. But I already dropped them off. But we got Callus crank, got diamond pistons. The rods are in. I got Eagle rods, but they up here. They up here. They ain't some regular smegglers. They some nice high dollar Eagle rod. They 1500 plus horsepower capable. So they some good ones, and we probably gonna need every last bit of that capability, if you know what I mean. But man, I got everything. We just waiting on the heads. Once the heads come in, we're gonna have everything. And the heads should come in next week. That's literally the last piece. And that's the last piece I need for the engine. Then I got my carburetor coming too. I got a custom carburetor getting done. Jay, why you ain't do it? Cause I want to try something out. Y'all gonna see it gonna all come together when you see the video. When you see what it is, it's gonna all come together. But anyhow, man, y'all see Meech is on the way. Shout out to Wifey for the help. She always help, and it was freezing. It was freezing in the shop. I know people gonna go crazy. You need insulation, man. Hey, look, I don't really care about all that, to be real. My shop not about being comfortable. I ain't trying to be comfortable at work. I'm glad to be sheltered where if it's not raining and whatnot or dark, then I'm out of luck. That's what that shop for. I ain't trying to be in there. Hey, I got to be all warm and cozy like in the house. That ain't me. I'm thankful that my shop don't sweat too. I done went through all the seasons. My shop does not sweat. Hey, luck of the draw. Some shops do, but mine does not sweat. So thankful for that. But I'm just happy Meech about to be back, man, and it's gonna be a whole nother level. This thing gonna be a unit. I'm serious. It's gonna be a unit. Which it was a unit before. Don't get me wrong. And I had some nice stuff in that engine before. And the stuff gonna be for sale, as I said, once I get it inspected, which I should have the parts next week. The engine will be disassembled next week, and I can show y'all exactly what happened too as well. So stay tuned in for that, man. We'll have something back to back. I haven't been vlogging because I haven't been doing anything but carburetor work, running the carburetor business. So I've been putting up little short form stuff on my other platforms. But I ain't forgot about y'all. Y'all my family. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We'll have more to come. And I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.